be real. The biggest bottleneck in any project isn't the code or the edit, it's the client files. I ask for simple images and get a format nightmare. iPhone HEIC files that won't open, WebPs my software rejects, and heavy PNGs that ruin my app's load time. I waste hours just trying to make them readable.
Drop the stress. Stop fighting your own files. I've got 5 exact tools that will fix your entire workflow right in the browser. 0 signups, 0 server uploads. Let's run the gauntlet.
Alright, Snack, prove it. Let's go through them one by one. First up, the Apple curse. A client dumps 50 photos straight from their iPhone into a drive, and they are all in HEIC format. I can't even preview them.
Boom! The free HEIC to JPG converter. You just drag all 50 of those files right into the box. It batch converts them into universally compatible JPGs instantly. And because it runs entirely on client-side technology, your client's personal photos stay 100% private.
Okay, lifesaver. Now, what about web assets? When I download reference images from the browser, they always save as .webp. Half the time, I need to keep the transparent background for my edits.
Transparency is key. Hit him with the WebP to PNG converter. You get a totally lossless conversion, and that transparent background stays perfectly preserved for your video timeline.
That handles the transparent ones, but what if I just need standard reference images and I want them as lightweight as possible?
Then we pivot to the WebP to JPG converter. Batch convert the whole folder, adjust your output quality, and get universally standard JPEGs in seconds.
Love it. Let's talk app performance. Huge PNG files are a crime when I'm packaging a mobile app. It slows everything down.
Heavy files are the enemy of speed. Throw them into the PNG to JPG converter. Switch from bulky PNGs to optimized JPEGs and watch those file sizes dramatically shrink. Keep your code clean and your load times lightning fast.
Alright, final boss. The client wants a premium minimalist aesthetic. They send me their official logo for a high-res intro, but it's a tiny pixelated PNG. If I scale it up, it looks terrible.
We don't do pixels, we do vectors. Drop that tiny logo into the PNG to SVG converter. We transform that pixel-based trash into a scalable vector graphic. You can stretch it to the size of a billboard, and it will stay razor-sharp.
From unreadable iPhone photos to infinite scaling SVGs in minutes. If you want to stop fighting your file formats, ToolSnack is the ultimate cheat code.
Batch convert instantly and get back to work.
Links to all 5 tools are in the description below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which format gives you the biggest headache. Catch you in the next one.